Getting ready to go on our 3-hour tour. Our 3-hour tour.
Outside of Antarctica has mangroves on it somewhere, but like I said, nothing else to this scale anywhere in North and South America outside of this area. All right, and that's everything that we're looking at out here, whether it's green or dead, is nothing but mangrove trees. And the primary species of mangrove that we have are the reds. There's 3 different species: the red, white, and black. But the reds make up about 90 to 95% of the mangroves that we have here in the 10,000 Islands, or South Florida in general. Let's see. Now the next area we're going to go through is known as Hell's Gate. All right, but don't worry, I got the. Huh?
That sounds promising.
Well, I got the keys to the gate, so they're wide open for us. I opened them this morning just for us. All right?
Are we all having fun?
Absolutely.
Yay! Lisa's been with Captain Austin. Mark's been with Captain Pete. Alright, we're out with Cats on the Water from Marco Island. We just drove all our little things. That's Captain Austin. He's our guide today. And it is just an incredibly beautiful day. And in fact, there was a dolphin swimming out right here. Although I didn't catch him. But we're just taking a beach walk and enjoying the nice water, and then we'll go back. So here's the little beach that we are on.
Right next to my boat, as close as you can get, nice and straight like I am. I want you to mirror how my boat's parked.
See what's on the other side of the island. Here's our boat. Very fast, very speedy. Very easy to drive, you just have to get the hang of it. And I'm gonna go find Mark and Lisa, see where they went. So it's either a molted one or a baby one.
It's like paper.
It's a molted one.
What does that mean?
Did they mold? Do they mold? I don't know. Are you having fun?
A lot, yes.
Driving our little boats?
Very much so, and you're doing a great job piloting.
Now we can get you in there. All right, we're on a little beach, secluded, except there's nothing but like oyster stuff, so.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting ready to go back. after our tour.